Okay, so that first play, the Tornadoes ran for good yardage. I said the 25 was really the 35 that he was tackled by number 91. And 91, he's the outside linebacker, and he's right here. So that last play, he went from here, wind up over here, tackling uh, the fullback. The Tornadoes must be ready for the speed of the Red Hornets. The Tornadoes, they are a big team. They probably weigh more than any other team in the Highlight Football League. They're big. And they're bigger than most of the teams. So that's what the Red Hornets have to deal with. But the good thing about the Red Hornets, they're quick and they're strong. But the Tornadoes could push them away, blow them away. Let's take it back down to the field. Second play of scrimmage. That was an off tackle. Let's see this play. This one is going off end, and once again, you saw how the fullback did not follow order, had the hole, but did not pursue it. And that is one of the drawbacks of the Tornadoes following through with their running game. And they had, throughout the season, they had difficulty. Now they're playing against the Dolphins, and the Dolphins basically had a horrible season. They only won one game. So let's take another play of scrimmage. That's the second play.